Alright everyone, I am Abiola from WebTech NG. You are welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make more than $200 per day on affiliate marketing using Pinterest without a blog or website. If you can follow the strategies that I'm going to be showing you in this video, then you will make money using the Pinterest. Pinterest is a great untapped resources many people don't focus on. More attention are on Instagram ad, Facebook ad, YouTube and so on. Meanwhile, you will have to follow these 3 steps. First, you need to sign up for Pinterest account if you don't already have one. So just go to pinterest.com. So what is Pinterest all about? It is a social network where people can find inspiration and ideas for their interests and hobbies. Every idea is represented by a pin. It's an image that is searched and saved by Pinterest users. It can be used to drive traffic and sale. Second, you need to sign up for affiliate program for your affiliate marketing. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? And marketing simply means to promote other people's products and services in exchange for a small affiliate commission. This means if you promote a product on Amazon or ClickBank, and if you are a part of the affiliate marketing network, then you will stand to gain a commission each time someone buys a product from your affiliate link. I will recommend Amazon affiliate, ClickBank, Share Sales, affiliate networks. This is because they are popular and they have track record of success. Third, you need to have a niche. A niche market is the subset of the market on which a specific product is focused. Examples are fitness and weight loss niche, health niche, dating and relationship, pets, self-improvement, wealth building through investing, making money on the internet, beauty treatment. You must have a niche, so you will have to promote products that are related to your niche. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and click the red button notification below to get more videos. You need to create a pin for your affiliate products. The cool thing is that you create them once and they are floating around on Pinterest forever. To get image for your pin, you will go to www.canvas.com and sign up. At Canvas site, you have access to large number of templates which you can edit even if you are an amateur in graphic design. I will demonstrate how to do that in this video. The first thing is to create Pinterest account. When you have done that, you have to choose a niche. The niche is you have everything we have in life as affiliate program. Is it making money online, fitness, relationship? Whatever niche you select, just choose a niche. The next thing is you sign up for affiliate program. So you can visit this website called clickback.com. You see a variety of niches. We have green products, home and garden. So you create accounts on clickbank.com. If you are doing e-training marketing, you list all the product marketing that you can promote. You can also check this website, sharesale.com. We have wide variety of affiliate program as well. So you see them. You see a wide variety of affiliate products attached to them. You can search for both of them. They are free. So you get affiliate link from them. So you have to go through their approval. They will send mail to you that you have been confirmed to complete. You go simply to this place again, clickbank.com. If you click on promote on any of them, they are going to give you a link that you use to promote the product. Now that you have your niche affiliate link, the next thing is to create a pin. You can get videos that will show you how to do that. The next is you go to pinterest.com. This site will help you to get image or images that you may want to use for your pin. So you create your pin here, you put your image here rather. So you go back to your home page, go to the red button up plus then create pin. This where you are going to upload your image. Then you give it a title. Then you give them footnote to pin. But this right here, you put your link. This is a simple example of what has been done. You put your description, you upload a pin you get from the canvas. You copy the title and put under the description. Then you put keywords that is relevant to the niche or the product you want to. You put hashtag affiliate or hashtag ad. This is for disclosure. You have to follow the FCC guidelines, and it's even a common practice. You have to make a disclosure, so you have to put the affiliate hashtag. You have to do keyword research. Add all the keyword related to the product you get. Otherwise, you have little chance to generate click and sales. So you can check videos on how to do keyword search so that you know the appropriate keyword you need to put under the description so that you can have the chance to make sense. Then you can go to share a sale again like you did in ClickBank. You get the product, you get the code, you choose select URL, then you copy the code, then you insert it in that description link. Then you save it in a create a board or you can save it in all the keyboards, any of the boards you have, but it's better you make it save it where it is related, where they are related. So you can save it to any page. So this is how to create the image. Once you click it, or you click the pin, it will take you to the affiliate you are promoting. So that is it. So this is how to go about it. So this is what you need to know how to go about it.